Hey, welcome to Exploring Gems, where we are building out a camper van in the middle of winter with no experience. And by we, I mean me. I'm Jess, and this is my soul dog, Jem. We'll be heading out on the road for full-time travel in a few short weeks now. So if you're interested, we invite you to follow along on our journey. Subscribe and stay a while. But first, a brief intermission from my cousin Gianna's birthday celebration. Went out on the town with my younger cousins and had a really good time. Sometimes you just gotta let loose in these stressful times.
Hello, big beautiful cardinal.
Here's my girl. That's my mama. So the audio is kind of crappy here, so I'm just going to put in a voiceover. The Ford Transit Cargo does not come with a rear view mirror, and there's no windows in the back. So I bought an aftermarket one that has a dash cam facing the front and the rear of the van. But the connection doesn't fit, so what I'm planning to do is glue in this little plastic piece that's already there, scrape it up a bit. It's a little curved. My plan is to glue this to this, glue this to this, and then I can glue this connector piece to this metal piece. And hopefully that will be strong enough. World's strongest bond. Quick setting epoxy, tile, most plastics, glass, wood. Tested my patience. I learned a lot about myself in this process. Sets in 5 minutes, cures in 1 hour. Temperature's below 40, then set time is longer. This is screwed in. That's what I think, and it will likely be. So, alright, next up, gluing these two parts together. Dash cam working. Got the wires all tucked away from moving this plastic piece. I just pried the corner, it popped out. And then I bought the actual mirror. I'll link that below because it was a nightmare trying to figure out what mirror it was, and Ford parts didn't even know. So I will link that. projects for today. So is a 5/16 bolt. One in the back is a 7. Different metrics, but 7 equates to. Brackets are in. Cut's a little ugly. So what I'm doing here is I measured out where the windows are going to be, estimated a bit bigger. I already traced and cut out this side, and now I'm going to flip it over and cut out this side. And there's 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so yeah. Hi, beautiful girl. What you doing, mama? Hi. Thank you for visiting. Okay, I kind of stopped filming during this process because it's been just really tedious and stressful, but got most of this insulating done. Gotta finish these big pieces. You have to get the insulation in these little skinny pieces. Now, I've seen a bunch of people feed it in with fishing wire and all sorts of interesting ways, but I feel like I found an easier way. Start feeding this through the hole, pushing it down, feeding it in, pushing it down, kind of shoving it down a little further. Some up here and then down there. If you're still watching, you're one of the real ones. Thanks for being here. In the next one, I'm going to be doing an in-depth tour and review of a professional van conversion company I hired to assist me with the components I wasn't really comfortable with, including the windows, a vent fan, electrical system, and it went pretty terribly wrong. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll catch you in the next one.